गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन अंदर आपणे टाइप 3 कंप्लीट करेलो हतो। नाउ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नो टाइप 4 फाइंड पैरामीटर्स ऑफ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दैट इज मीन एंड वेरिएंस। We already seen our properties of normal distribution that mean is mu and standard deviation or variance is small sigma. So we have to find out mu and standard deviation. First of all, how to calculate example? In this type of example, two probability are given. Put value of x and z in z equation, that is x minus mu upon small sigma. You will get two equation. Solve both equation. And get value of mu and small sigma. Okay, let's start our first example. First, 7.35% of observation of normal distribution are less than 35. 89.44% of observation are less than 65. Find parameters of normal distribution. Okay, first 7.35% of observation less than 35. So 35 or less. x1 is equal to 35 or less. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation or less. z1 is equal to 35 minus mu upon standard deviation or less. Now area under normal को z is equal to 0. Here probability is given. Probability ઉપરથી આપણે z ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે, એટલે ટાઈપ 3 ની જેમ રિવર્સ મેથડથી આપણે ટેબલ જોવું પડશે. 7.35% of observation is 35 less than 35. 7.35. So 7.35 less than કીધું છે, એટલે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી આપેલી છે 7.35%. ઓકે, so probability is equal to 7.35 percentage. પરસન્ટેજની સાઇન કાઢવી હોય તો p of x 0.0735 એને આપણે z માં કન્વર્ટ કરશું 0.0735 0.0735 0735. This is between 1.8 અને 0.18 અને 0.19 ની વચ્ચે. 0.18 plus 0.19 divided by 2, 0.185. This is z, 0.185. Left hand side છે એટલે minus. So z1 is equal to minus 0.185. 35 minus mu upon small sigma. Small sigma સામેની સાઈડ જશે એટલે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 0.185 minus 0.185 small sigma is equal to 35 minus mu minus 0.185 small sigma is equal to 35. This is equation number 1. Second one, 89.44% of observation less than 65. 89.44% of observation less than 65. Less than 65. Okay. So x1 65 or less. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or less. Z 65 minus mu upon standard deviation or less. Okay, draw area under normal. Probability of is 89.44. So draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં 0. 0.8944 લેસ કીધું છે એટલે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ પણ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી કેટલી હોય 0.5 તો બાકીની આપણે કઈ સાઈડ લેવી પડશે 0.5 કરતાં વધારે છે એટલે 8944 એટલે કે બાકીની થશે 0.3944 એ આવશે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ કારણ કે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 0.5 કરતાં વધારે થાય તો એ આવી જશે કન્વર્ટ થઈ અને રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ એટલે 0.3944 સો પ્રોબેબિલિટી 0.3944 એક્ઝેક્ટ કોની સામે આવે છે જોઈએ 0.3944 એક્ઝેક્ટ આવે છે 0.12 એનું 05 એટલે કે 0.125 1.25 here 1.25 રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ છે એટલે પ્લસ થશે 1.25 65 minus mu upon small sigma 1.25 small sigma 65 minus mu આ સાઈડ આવશે તો પ્લસ થશે 1.25 standard deviation is equal to 65 this is equation number 2 now solve equation 1 and 2 solve equation 1 and 2 bigger equation છે equation number 2 તો આપણે ફર્સ્ટ લખશું 1 plus 1.25 standard deviation is equal to 65 smaller mu minus 1.85 mu minus 0.185 sorry standard deviation 0.185 standard deviation is equal to 35 mu ને આપણે કેન્સલ કરવા છે એટલે mu પ્લસ છે તો માઇનસ થશે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન માઇનસ છે તો પ્લસ થશે 35 પ્લસ છે તો માઇનસ થશે પ્લસ મ્યુ માઇનસ મ્યુ કેન્સલ 1.25 પ્લસ 0.185 1.25 plus 0.185 1.435 1.435 standard deviation 65 minus 35 65 minus 35 that is 30 so standard deviation is equal to 30 divided by 1.345 30 divided by 1.345 20.91 this is your first answer put standard deviation is equal to 20.91 in equation number 1 mu plus 1.25 standard deviation is equal to 65 mu plus 1.25 20.91 is equal to 65 mu plus 1.25 multiplied by 20.91 that is 26.13 is equal to 65 so 65 minus 26.13 65 minus 26.13 38.87 this is your mu so parameters mu is equal to 38.87 and standard deviation is equal to 20.91 this is your first answer next example number 2 15.15% of students are more than 60 marks 39.39 students are less than 34 marks if marks of students are normally distributed find parameters of distribution first one 15.15% of student having more than 60 marks x 60 or more z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more z 60 minus mu upon standard deviation or more okay area under normal curve z is equal to 0 more than marks કીધા છે એટલે right hand side આવશે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી આપી છે 1.15 15.15 So probability is equal to 15.15. So P of x is equal to થશે 0.1515. So probability આપેલી છે 0 થી, એટલે રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 0.5, એમાંથી માઇનસ કરશું 0.1515. So 0.5 minus 0.1515, that is 3485. 043.3485, એને આપણે z માં કન્વર્ટ કરશે 3485 એક્ઝેક્ટ આપેલા છે આપણે 1.03 ની સામે. So z is equal to 1.03, right hand side છે એટલે પ્લસ થશે 60 minus mu upon standard deviation. So standard deviation 1.03, standard deviation 60 minus mu. Mu plus 1.03 standard deviation is equal to 60. This is equation number 1. Second equation, less than 34, 39.39%. Less than 34 marks. Okay, so x 34 or less, z x minus mu upon standard deviation or less, 34 minus mu upon standard deviation or less, area under normal curve, exact middle માં z is equal to 0, 39 less કીધા છે એટલે left hand side, એની probability છે 39.39, that is 0.3939. P of x left hand side ની total probability 0.5 minus 0.3935. 0.5 minus 0.3939, 1061, 0.1061, એને આપણે z માં કન્વર્ટ કરશી 1061 exact 0.27, 0.27 લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ છે એટલે માઇનસ થશે minus 0.27, 34 minus mu upon standard deviation. 0.27 standard deviation, 34 minus mu. Mu minus 0.27 standard deviation is equal to 34. Equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. First equation bigger છે, mu plus 1.03 standard deviation, 1 plus 1.03 standard deviation is equal to 60. Mu minus 0.27 standard deviation is equal to 34. This is minus plus minus. So mu cancel. 1.03 plus 0.27, 1.3 standard deviation is equal to 34 minus 60. 60 minus 34, that is 26. So standard deviation is equal to 26 divided by 1.3. 26 divided by 1.3, 20. Put standard deviation 20 in equation number 1. Mu plus 1.03 standard deviation is equal to 60. Mu plus 1.03 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60. Mu plus 1.03 multiplied by 20, 20.6, 60. Mu is equal to 60 minus 20.6, 60 minus 20.6, 39.4. This is your second answer. So mu is equal to 34.4 and standard deviation is equal to 20. This is your answer. Mu is equal to 39.4 and standard deviation 20. Next example, example number 3. 31% of observation of normal distribution are less than 45 and 8% of observation are more than 65. Find mean and standard deviation. Same example number 2 જેવો છે એટલે હોમવર્કમાં રહેશે. Next example number 4. 7% of observation of normal distribution are less than 35 and 11% of observation are more than 63. Find mean and standard deviation. Same હોમવર્કમાં રહેશે. Next example number 5. The height of 500 students studying in a college is normally distributed if the height of 15.87% students are more than 165 cm and height of 30.85 students are more than 160 cm. Find average height and standard deviation of height. Okay, next. First of all, there are total 500 students. So n is equal to 500. First, it is given that 15.87% of student height is more than 165 centimeter. So x is equal to 165 or more. Z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z is equal to 165 minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Okay, exact middle માં Z is equal to 0. 15.87 more than કીધું છે, more than એટલે right hand side. એની probability આપણે આપેલી છે 0.181587. Okay. So right hand side ની total probability થાય 0.5, એમાંથી માઇનસ કરશું 0.1587. 0.5 minus 0.1587 3413. Exact 1 ની સામે Z is equal to 1. Right hand side છે એટલે plus 165 minus mu upon standard deviation. Standard deviation 1 સાથે multiply થશે, that means standard deviation 165 minus mu. Mu plus standard deviation is equal to 165, equation number 1. Second, 30.85 students have more than 160 centimeter. Second, 30.85% having more than 160 centimeter. X 160 or more. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. So Z is equal to 160 minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Area under normal curve. Z is equal to 0. More than કીધું છે એટલે right hand side. એની probability આપી છે 3085, 0.3085. So right hand side ની total probability થશે 0.5 minus 3085, 0.5 minus 3085, 1915. Exact 0.5 ની સામે. So right hand side છે એટલે plus 0.5, 160 minus mu upon standard deviation or more. So 0.5 સાથે multiply થશે, small sigma, 0.5 small sigma, 160 minus mu. Mu plus 0.5 small sigma is equal to 160. This is equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Mu plus standard deviation 165. Mu minus mu plus 0.5, standard deviation 160. We have to cancel mu, so minus minus minus, plus mu minus mu cancel, 1 small sigma minus 0.5 small sigma, so 0.5 small sigma 5 divided by 0.5, standard deviation is equal to 10, 5 by 0.5. Put standard deviation is equal to 10 in equation number 1. Mu plus small sigma is equal to 165. Mu plus 10 is equal to 165. Mu is equal to 165 minus 10. Mu is equal to 155. Okay, this is your answer. Average and standard deviation. Average is 155 and standard deviation is 10. Next, example number 6. The income of certain group follow normal distribution. If income of 30.5% are less than 4,500 rupees and income of 6.5% are less than 4,000 rupees, find average income and standard deviation. Same as example number 5. So homework mare se. Next, example number 7. The follow is the result of an examination. Pass with distinction 10%, pass without distinction 60%, fail 30%. The standard of passing mark is 40%. This is very important for us. And standard of getting distinction is 75 marks out of 100 marks. Assuming marks are normally distributed, find mean and standard deviation. Okay. First of all, pass with distinction. Pass with distinction. So that means marks more than 75 marks. More than 75 marks. How many are there? 10%. So 10%. So x is equal to 75 or more. Z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z is equal to 75 minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Area under normal curve. More, that means right hand side. Any probability આપણે આપેલી છે 10%, that is 0.1. Now right hand side ની total probability 0.5 minus 0.1, that is 0.4. 0.4 ને આપણે z માં કન્વર્ટ કરશી. 0.4 1.28 અને 1.29 ની વચ્ચે. 1.28 plus 1.29 by 2, that is 1.285. Here 1.285. 1.285. 75 minus mu upon small sigma. 1.285 small sigma is equal to 75 minus mu. So mu is equal to 1.285, small sigma is equal to 75. This is our first equation. Second information is not useful for us. Third one, fail 30%. પાસ ક્યારે થશે? 40 કરતાં વધારે માર્ક્સ હશે તો ફેલ ક્યારે થશે? 40 or less marks. Second one, fail student. Fail, that means less than 40 marks. How many are there? 30%. So x 40 or less, z x minus mu upon standard deviation or less, z 40 minus mu upon standard deviation or less. લેસ કીધું છે એટલે આપણો ગ્રાફ આવશે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ. એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી છે 30%, ધેટ મીન્સ 0.3. લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી 0.5 માઇનસ 0.3, 0.2. 0.2 ને આપણે ઝેડમાં કન્વર્ટ કરશું. 0.2, 0.52 અને 0.53 ની વચ્ચે. 0.52 પ્લસ 0.53, 0.525. લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ છે એટલે માઇનસ. minus 0.525, 40 minus mu upon standard deviation. minus 0.525 standard deviation, 40 minus mu. Mu minus 0.525 standard deviation is equal to 40. Equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. First equation, mu plus 1.285 is equal to 75. Mu plus 1.285 standard deviation is equal to 75. Second, mu minus 0.525 standard deviation is equal to 40. Okay. Minus plus minus. Plus mu minus mu cancel. 0.285 plus 0.525, 1.81 standard deviation is equal to 75 minus 40, that is 35. So 35 divided by 1.81, sorry. 35 divided by 1.81, that is 19.34. Put standard deviation 19.34 in equation number 1. Mu plus 1.285 standard deviation is equal to 75. Mu plus 1.285, 19.34 is equal to 75. Mu plus 1.285 multiplied by 19.24, 24.85, 75. 75 minus 24.85 minus 75, 50.15. This is mu. So mu is equal to 50.15, standard deviation 19.34. This is your answer. Next, example number 8. 100 students appear in examination. They are grouped in 3 classes, class 1, class 2, class 3, accordingly their marks. The minimum and maximum mark required for second class is 50 and 60. So there are 3 class, there are 3 class, class 1, class 2 and class 3. So class 1, class 2, class 3. For class 2, the marks between 50 to 60. So it means class 3 માટે કેટલા માર્ક્સ હશે? 60 or more. અને class 1 માટે કેટલા માર્ક્સ હશે? 50 or less. If 5 students secure first class, this is 5. 35 secured second class, this is 35. Total there are 100 students. How many students secure 60 or plus 4 marks? 60. Class 1, class 2, class 3. This is class 3. This is class 1. 5 students secure first class. 35 secure second class. So then how many secure third class? 100 minus 35 minus 5, that is 60 students secure third class. So this is our first equation, 50 or less, 60%. This is our second equation, 60 or more, that is 5%. First, 50 or less, 60 student, x 50 or less, z x minus 50 divided by standard deviation or less, z 50 x minus mu, sorry, this is mu. 50 minus mu upon standard deviation or less. This is area under normal curve. Less, that means left hand side. There are 60 students. So probability is equal to favorable result divided by total result. 60, total there are 100 student, 0.6. So left hand side ની total probability હશે 0.5 અને less than 50 સ્ટુડન્ટ છે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી છે 0.6, તો બાકીની પ્રોબેબિલિટી આવશે રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઇડ, that means 0.1. so p of x is equal to 0.1. z માં કન્વર્ટ કરશું 0.1 ને 0.1 2.25 અને 0.26 ની વચ્ચે divided by 2 0.255. લેફ્ટ રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઇડ છે એટલે પ્લસ થશે 0.255 0.255 50 minus mu standard deviation. mu plus 0.255 standard deviation is equal to 50 and આપણે કહેશું equation number 1. second equation, 60 more than 60 or more એવા સ્ટુડન્ટ છે 5, 60 or more એવા છે 5 સ્ટુડન્ટ. okay, x 60 or more, z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more, 60 minus mu upon standard deviation or more, area under normal curve, z is equal to 0, 5 સ્ટુડન્ટ છે, પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે ફેવરેબલ રિઝલ્ટ ડિવાઇડેડ બાય ટોટલ રિઝલ્ટ 0.05, મોર છે એટલે રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઇડ એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી થશે 0.05, રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઇડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી થાય 0.5 માઇનસ 0.05 0.45. 0.45 ને આપણે z માં કન્વર્ટ કરશું 0.45 1.64 અને 1.65 ની વચ્ચે divided by 2 1.645. so z is equal to 1.645. right hand side છે એટલે plus 60 minus mu upon standard deviation. 1.645 standard deviation, 60 minus mu plus 1.645 standard deviation is equal to 60. This is equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Mu plus 1.645 standard deviation is equal to 60. Mu plus 255 standard deviation is equal to 50. Mu plus 255 standard deviation is equal to 50. Minus minus minus. Plus mu minus mu cancel. 1.645 minus 1.255 0.39 standard deviation is equal to 10. So standard deviation is equal to 10 by 0.39. 10 by 0.39. 25.64. Put standard deviation 25.64 in equation number 1. Mu plus 1.645 standard deviation is equal to 60. Mu plus 1.645 multiplied by 25.64 is equal to 60. Mu multiplied by 1.645, that is 42.18, is equal to 60. 60 minus 42.18, so mu is equal to 60 minus 42.18, 17.82. This is your answer. This is mu and small sigma. Here our example number 8 is completed. In next session we will start our example. Thank you.